there is harmful and painful. Sin is very selfish, very deceptive, and love. Quickly tells us this. You know what God's battle plan was? In the 8th chapter, it's very evident what the battle plan was. Because listen, Satan's always good. He always has something that looks so good. And when he says, I saw, I got it. That's God's very simple plan. Does God want you to